Velo, USD exchanges close $0, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Velo fundamentally especially has a medium-term opposition at $0, which for the most part is very critical in an unpretentious manner. Velo's EMA truly shows a truly descending pattern in an especially kind of large manner. Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days. Sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking, or so they for the most part thought. The 9th of June 2023. In this video we will sort of walk you through Velo cost examination for now or for sort of the following week and genuinely attempt to answer these regularly truly got clarification on pressing issues. What truly in every way that really matters is certainly transient cost expectation for Velo. Generally is Velo a wise interest in a truly significant manner. Velo support and obstruction levels and so forth, exceptionally as opposed to prevalent thinking, in spite of prevalent thinking. Yet, prior to plunging genuinely profound into the Velo specialized investigation, in a real sense let us sort of generally discuss the kind of genuinely current economic situations, which basically is genuinely critical. Market examination over the last 24 hours. There truly was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the especially whole digital money market to $1,106,973,065,872 in a decently kind of significant manner in an unpretentious manner. The by and large complete exchanging volume generally in a real sense remains at $25,050,644,957 in a kind of significant manner, which is genuinely critical. Bitcoin shares 46.63% of the entry market while Ethereum generally has a strength of 16.33%, which in a real sense is very critical, which generally is genuinely huge, which especially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,608.34 level after a decay of 0%, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a value reduction of 0.41% coming to $1,847.07 during the past 24 hours, or so they generally thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $262.39. Following a value change of 1.18% within a similar time period in an unpretentious manner. XRP, the by and large local coin of XRP generally is up by 1.93 and right now exchanging at 53 cents, which actually especially is very huge. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, or so they in a real sense essentially thought. These occasions truly show that the market in every practical sense sort of is going in a really descending heading for kind of especially momentary in a sort of significant manner. As of now, an especially broad fundamentally bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, showing that market examination over the by and large last 24 hours. There truly sort of was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the whole digital money market to $1,106,973,065,872, or so they explicitly thought. Velo backing and obstruction backing and opposition for the most part are significant specialized pointers used to in every practical sense. Distinguish certainly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which by and large sort of is genuinely huge. Support certainly is a level at which purchasers especially fundamentally become kind of certainly more beautiful dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they truly thought, which is very huge. Similarly, obstruction most certainly is a level at which dealers in every practical sense move in every way that really matters, dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, or so they truly thought. Following most certainly are the help and opposition levels of Velo execution as per value examination market record. Velo by and large basically is exchanging at $0 and exchanging volume of $1,543,743 in an unobtrusive manner, in spite of prevalent thinking. However, Velo in every practical sense has a value decline of 5.82% in the pretty fundamentally last 24 hours. Velo cost changes 11.71% over the course of the week with a truly complete market capitalization of $5,186,353 USD in an unobtrusive manner in an unpretentious way. Velo value examination Velo cost investigation for the 9th of June 2023 inside a genuinely everyday time span in every way that really matters, truly made sense of underneath, exhibiting that moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, by and large in spite of mainstream thinking, or so they thought. We utilize kind of extremely relative strength index, moving really normal union and difference, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including pretty straightforward moving in every practical sense, normal and remarkable moving pretty normal to basically dissect the future development of the Velo, showing how however, Velo sort of has a value decline of 5.82% in the by and large last 24 hours. Velo cost changes 11.71% over the course of the week with an exceptionally complete market capitalization of $5,186,353 USD, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. The quite relative strength record shows that the Velo coin generally is an oversold stage, as RSI is at 30, exhibiting that VELO USD exchanges close $0 in an unobtrusive way. The VELO USD moving certainly normal union and dissimilarity marker really is showing a certainly genuinely transient sort of sell commonly signal as the MACD line generally is moving beneath commonly sort of sign line which implies explicitly for the most part bears sort of are ruling in the market in every practical sense, significant way. While Velo's Williams %R pointer explicitly is at 95.932 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an oversold condition and genuinely momentary pattern fundamentally inversion for the most part is conceivable, which for the most part shows that Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days in an unpretentious way, in spite of prevalent thinking. Bulls can move the market in vertical bearing, showing how Velo essentially has a medium-term obstruction at $0, which by and large is very critical. Velo especially really is moving in fundamentally exceptionally descending course as in a real sense bears effectively basically take the coin underneath quick help level of $0, showing that Velo explicitly is moving in commonly descending heading as in a real sense bears effectively for the most part take the coin beneath prompt help level of $0 in essentially fundamentally significant manner. Presently Velo ought to in every practical sense track down a help at $0 probably the vendors could then focus on the urgent help level put at $0. Pretty further appearance how the VELO USD moving genuinely normal combination and difference marker by and large is showing in all things considered. Genuinely momentary sort of sell entirely signal as the MACD line truly is moving beneath beautiful sign line which for the most part fundamentally implies certainly bears in a real sense are ruling on the lookout, exceptionally in opposition to mainstream thinking. And Velo especially fundamentally is presently encountering a huge negative pattern. This doesn't be guaranteed to especially for the most part suggest that the digital currency fundamentally especially is in an unsafe circumstance that can't be corrected, showing how Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days, which actually basically is very critical, regardless of whether the cost for the most part is falling consistently. It explicitly is guessed that the two help levels will truly act as areas of strength for fundamentally and cause the pattern line to bounce back once more into the by and large certain zone, showing how regardless of whether the cost generally is falling consistently, it basically is guessed that the two help levels will act as serious areas of strength for certainly and cause the pattern line to bounce back once again into the extremely sure zone in an essentially significant manner amazingly.